competition, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be having a randomizer where our ladies will be shown a picture that they are going to express their thoughts, ideas on that particular image. So joining with me is candidate number 1. Hi, can you come closer with me? How are you so far?
I am good lately.
Yeah, I will give you 30 seconds to express your thanksgiving words to the people behind you in this competition. So your 30 seconds starts now.
I would like to thank my family and my supporters for coming for me with this journey of mine. And I'm so appreciated and because they come to me because they are my supporters.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1. Okay, so I want you to turn your head to our LED monitor for the image. Let's roll our randomizer. Here we go. Let's see, where's your lock? And your photo will be... Okay, so let us... The mushroom-based packaging, okay?
Good evening, Agusan National High School. The picture is called Mushroom-Based Packaging, made from mycelium as an eco-friendly alternative to plastic, used, developed, and patented by Ecovative Company in New York. Mycelium is the root structure of a mushroom, which is good to eat. It is produced by filamentous fungi, which offers opportunities to develop food products that have desirable flavor and texture characteristics that are high in protein quality while providing fiber and essential micronutrients. Mushroom-based packaging is sustainable because it utilizes renewable energy source and make it with good ingredients. Thank you.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, candidate number 1. And now let's meet candidate number 2. A crowd favorite, Denise. Hi, good evening, candidate number 2. How are you?
I'm very good, sir. Thank you. How about you, sir?
I'm good, fine, yes. I'm just enjoying the show. Okay, so there will be pictures will be shown on the screen. But before that, I would like to give, I would be giving you 30 seconds to express and tell the people about your appreciation behind the success of your joining here at the NHS Pro.
First and foremost, of course, this pageant, it wouldn't be without all the people here today. This pageant is both an experience and an opportunity, not just for me, but for everyone here in Agusan National High School. And I'm just very thankful for the experience, the support, and the welcome of Agusan National High School to us candidates. Thank you.
Wow, that's a heartfelt message. Okay, are you ready for your picture?
Yes, sir.
Here we go. Let's face here on the screen. And your picture is... Okay, so this is your question. And it is about eco-friendly smart homes. Good luck.
Mariyang na doon kaninyong tanan. You know what? I love this picture. Why? Because it reminds me of my dream home. It is a model house, an eco-friendly smart home that uses renewable resources like wind and solar power for its energy consumption. And it also has a sustainable garden just for it. Eco-friendly homes are made for a sustainable design. It works with the environment and not against them. By harnessing renewable energy, we can minimize the carbon emissions that we are producing every day. I believe that we can transform our homes into eco-friendly smart homes anytime. But first, as a student and as an individual, we have to study and keep aiming the best versions of ourselves. Because after all, life is beautiful. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much, candidate number 2. another tall girl. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How about you, sir?
I'm still good and ongoing. Okay, so I will give you 30 seconds to express your Thanksgiving message to all the people behind your success in this competition.
First of all, thank you to my parents for always supporting me even though I always feel so down. And to my SPA family, thank you for being here. And I love your effort. You just don't know how happy I am to see you all here. And last but not the least, the CPAC dancers. They're all my friends and I've been very happy to be with them, and to my makeup artist, and to all the people who helped me to be right here in this stage. Thank you very much and I love you all!
Wow, very overwhelming message. Okay, so we have here your photo here on the LED wall, so let's roll the dice. Okay, here we go. And your photo is... There you go, so let's show it. Plastic waste roads. Good luck.
Good evening, Senhai. So, plastic waste road are a brilliant example of innovation meeting sustainability. So, it's very good because we repurpose plastic to have it into a durable road by turning this into a very good roads. We can cut costs. We extend infrastructure lifespan and reduce pollution. Yes, it helps to remove the existing waste and protects our ecosystem, but unfortunately, it doesn't address the root cause, which is us. Our over-reliance on plastic and poor waste management. If we only focus on the production without recalibrating our minds and redirecting our waste as the solution or the source of the pollution, we risk treating the symptoms rather than solving the problem. Let us unite as members of global community, together with the government and non-government efforts and individual behavioral change. I can say it's the real key to sustainability and building a better future for the next generation. And I thank you!
Wow, thank you so much, candidate number 3. Wow, thank you, taking some rest at the back. Now let's call it candidate number 4. It's another crowd favorite. How are you? Good evening.
Hello, good evening. I am doing good, doing very well. I'm very tired actually.
Okay, I know your heart is full of overwhelming feelings, but this time I will give you 30 seconds to express your Thanksgiving message to all the people behind your success in joining this competition.
Hello and maayong gabi sa inyo, Sanhay. I would like to take this moment to take an appreciation to those people who were part of this journey of mine, to my beloved parents, to my beloved friends, to my locals, to my ohana, to those people, to those CPAC dancers, to those makeup artists, designers, to everyone in this part of journey of mine. I am so thankful for being with me. Daghang salamat sa inyong tanan.
Wow. Okay, so I will let you show your picture. Please turn your head to our LED wall for the photo that you will be talking about. Randomizer. Here we go. And your photo is the solar-powered water purifiers. Good luck.
First and foremost, Madyaw Magabi Sanhay, to the Board of Judges, to the alumni, and to everyone in here. In a world where people
are not privileged enough to sustain safe drinking water. This is a new innovation that can provide a sustainable future for everyone. And as someone who is likely to make my imagination becomes reality, I would like to take this moment as a platform to promote beauty in all its forms. This is a sustainable innovation that can provide a better future, lessening environmental impact, lessening environmental causes, issues that probably caused by us. Sanhay, I would like to take this moment to gather each one of us to help one in hand to make difference with the power of innovation, because the innovation is the heart of every solution. Daghang salamat, Sanhay!
Thank you so much, candidate number 4. She has all the energy, guys. Okay, let's have candidate number 5. A cute girl. Okay, hi. How are you so far?
I feel great. How are you?
I'm good. Okay. Let's take it to the next part. Okay, so I will give you 30 seconds to express your Thanksgiving message to all the people behind your success in joining this competition. Your 30 seconds. Go.
Right now, I feel ecstatic. It's mixed emotions actually. And finally, today is the day that one of us will be crowned as Miss ANHS Pearl 2025. I would also love to take this opportunity to thank my supporters, my grade 8 family, and most of all, my parents. Thank you.
Wow, okay. I know that your parents are very proud of you. Okay, I want you to look on the screen for the photo and then roll randomizer. Here we go. Your photo is about hydrogen fuel cells. Good luck.
We could really use this invention here in our city. Imagine breathing without any air pollution. Hydrogen fuel cells offers a pathway, making us breathe freely and healthy. Let's build a more healthier and cleaner future for generations to come. Let's keep our good one healthy and safe. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much, candidate number 5. Ayun na ito din. We would like to remind everyone to refrain from moving and shouting to our candidates. It's not easy to stand here in front of a large number of crowd, okay? Wow, let's have candidate number 6. Our last candidate. Hi.
Hello, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening.
You're still beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay, so I will give you 30 seconds to express your Thanksgiving message to all the people behind it, your success in joining the ANHS Pearl.
Good evening, Shanghai! Firstly, I would like to thank my family, my friends, and my supporters who came here. To my grade 9 people right there! Thank you for being with me ever since I started this pageantry journey, and I thank you.
Okay, are you ready for your picture?
Yes.
Okay, let's turn our head to our monitor and let's roll our randomizer. And your photo is... There we go. It's Ocean Cleanup Technologies. Good luck.
Cleaner oceans, brighter future. Good evening, Shanghai. This is your candidate number 6. The picture shows about ocean cleanup technologies. They remove plastic from oceans and rivers, preventing water pollution. They protect the marine life and preserve ecosystems. They are beneficial not only for the nature, but also for us humans. I believe that we should restore our waters for a brighter future. And I thank you!
Thank you so much, candidate number 6. You can go backstage. There you have them, ladies and gentlemen, our 6 lovely ladies, and the final Q&A round. Now this time, who do you think will be the new queen?